Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cool system that basically get your task done. So this system is basically in a board notion template. Inside that there is a task manager. That's where you can see the smart task system whole system where you can see we can get things done more faster and effectively. So this is a complete tutorial on how you can apply this system in your in your daily life to get things done faster. Okay, most importantly, get the important stuff get done faster. That's the main goal of this. Okay, I will show you. So first we need some task here. Okay, so let's create some task. Okay, like maybe creating a YouTube video. Second. Okay. Imagine these are tasks. Actually, how much are them? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, seven is like makes my like number. Okay. Yeah. Okay. These are the seven tasks we are going to do today. Okay. Now we have to pull it to the smart list. Okay. Let's pull in one. Creating an important video, then finding a new idea for Notion, which is also important. Then going out for coffee is not that important actually, so I just give that. Then work on the startup, then collaborate with which is very important. Please pull in reading books, then pull in. Let's pull in this one too. Nah. Yeah. Okay, after pulling in, just pulling in the task which is really need to be done today, then this goes to here. Then after that, here's the important part. You can you already seen that there is 1 to 6 task selects in this smart list. This should be selected according to the priority, sorry, importance. Okay, so creating a YouTube video which is really important for my business, so I will just tab this as one because it's a really important one. Then there is finding new idea for Notion is just a part-time what should I say, a side hustle, only a side hustle. So I don't give that as a long-term business, see as a long-term business, just as a part-time side hustle. Okay, so I just give it as a maybe two. Then there is working for startup, which is very very important, really important for the future. Collaborating with the others, which is has increased my sales and making more revenue, so it's very important. Reading books, It's not that important because I always read the books. Reading books is important, but I just have to. I don't feel so or react myself for not reading today because I read books next day tomorrow too. So yeah, but going to Patrabadi, I don't know. Just going to Patrabadi is so annoying. I should I see a lot of people there, so I just add to that like for importance. Going out for coffee, 6 5. Okay. So after that, pulling in all that into importance, let's see the first thing first. So these are the main things you should do today that can change your life in the future. Okay, so these are the things you should do today. Then after that, there is small list two where it's less importance to your future life, but kinda needed in your future. That's type of task are second two, and three, which is related to also have this priority of should be done, but not that important type things. That's the thing from 3 to 6, which is basically you should do if you want. Okay, okay. See, there's five. You can avoid these tasks from 3 to 6 because it's not that much of importance for today or for the near future. Okay, these are things again, and after that everything is done. I'll work on this each one and add a due date for each one for it because always today. Then I'll just open it and get things done like this. Whenever I complete a task, I just complete it done. Okay, after completing and making that done, you'll go to the done section. After marking it as done, then you can see that done in here. So it give you a little boost of how much you are done. That's it basically. That's the system. Importance of 1 to 6, 1 to 6. Should do always do the one because that's the most important things that can change your life in your future. Because really important for today. Second is not that important, but not that less important than one. Okay, and the list goes on. That's the main thing. Okay, and 6 and 5 is something you should do, but you can avoid it, and nothing will gonna change. Okay, hope you got the idea. And yeah, that's it. There is also a time based task here where you can see the task is on today, tomorrow, this week, and this month, next month, and snoozed. That's it. Okay, okay, that's it. Basically, that's it. That's the system, smart list system. You can I will give a link to the link in the description so that you can download it and use it for yourself, and can comment in the section after trying that if it helps you or not. Okay, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next video.